What's the meaning of circus? Circus. Circus.
Circus. Circus. The word circus refers to an entertainment spectacle that typically features acrobats, clowns, trained animals, and other performers displaying their skills in a large tent or arena. The aim is to provide viewers with an exhilarating experience of the spectacle of physical prowess and daring feats. People have enjoyed circus performances for over 2 centuries, and they continue to captivate audiences around the world today. Circus shows are often associated with nostalgia for traditional forms of entertainment, but they can also provide a sense of wonder and excitement for modern audiences who appreciate the artistry and athleticism of the performers.